if both of you have the same purpose, you will spend the rest of that marriage never having one issue. I have had people who are so much certain that a husband and a wife must have quarrels, right? I don't agree. I'll give you my reason. There is a difference between dialogue and quarrels. Dialogue is on the basis of different ideas, perspectives, or opinions. Quarrel is a disagreement of personality. So you can dialogue, you can have different opinions, you can even negotiate, but it's not quarreling. So in marriage, the purpose will be purpose. The purpose will be what? Purpose. Well, let me explain. Pastor Grace, come. She bakes cake, right? If I'm coming to marry her, there is only two things that both of us should know. She should know about her essence of what she could do in ministry to help me. I should also know what I can do to help her in her cake business. Why she is growing in ministry, I am growing in where? Cake business. Both of us will never have problem. Please follow me. Because I am looking for new ways to serve her. And she is looking for new ways to help me. So whenever she is baking cake, I'm with her. While both of us is listening to a message on the background. So she is not in oblivion about what ministry is all about. And I am not in the dark of what cake business is all about. So when she's designing her cake, I can give her lots of ideas of what to do. I can even be the delivery guy when we are rising in her cake business. So she sees me present in her life. I see her present in my own life. We will not have issues. Now see where the problem starts. When I feel, this is what I'm telling you is a red flag. When she is insecure about the ministry, that I have lots of females flocking around, and I am insecure that the people giving her cake business are men, and then she begins to work hard to build my trust that is just business, and I am working hard to also build trust, we are going to never build that trust, because the trust was not generated by me or her in the opposite direction. But the source of the insecurity is herself and myself. So the only way that insecurity can be solved is by her own self. The only way I can solve the insecurity is to learn to trust her. Do we get it now? So how hard can I work to work on her to make her to become trustworthy in everything that she is doing? I can't do that. So the purpose now is cake business keeps unfolding, right? And I'm working deliberately to make her expand. She is working deliberately to make me grow. What we call infidelity is space created over time without noticing it. Simple.